There you go, there you go. Good job.
Hey everyone, we're back here at the Port of Brownsville. Haven't been back to this spot in over a year now, you know, since we moved since we moved to Memphis. Yeah, I haven't really been riding too much. We've done a couple tracks here and there, but you know, definitely some difficult trails. But I had no idea when I'd be back here that there would be such a major development.
Very big development. Yeah, even though we haven't been riding much, I think it's just been like watching YouTube videos, mental repetitions, and just applying the fundamentals.
Yeah, something that I never thought could happen for me happened. Also for Gio.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you'll see that now. Shit, yo, shit! Oh yeah, I know. I know. You're clearing it by a long shot.
Wow.
You don't gotta go that fast. Yeah. Yeah.
Let me see.
That was it right there. That was it.
You got it! Woo!
Try to hit this double right here. I don't know why this one looks more intimidating than the other two.
This is the easier one, right? That we've been hitting?
No. I did this one clean once.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Pretty good.
Yeah?
That third one was probably the best one.
Yeah.
Awesome. Like it's easy.
Almost. I'll check this out.
Is that next?
Hell no. No way.
That was really good. You want to do this one or a different one?
The next one.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Your bike looked like it was smoking.
I smell something too.
Huh?
I smell something too.
All right. That's the double now that we're hitting.
I think it might be in my pants on the exhaust.
Oh, okay.
That felt great.
Yeah.
That felt great.
Yeah. You're gonna find yourself to make a little mistake here and there, but it's just like I overshot that one. But hey, you know what? Better to overshoot it.
What are we saying?
All right, so that was the huge development. We both can now hit some doubles.
Yep, they may not be the biggest doubles, but they are our doubles and we hit them.
so proud of ourselves. It was crazy. You know, the biggest thing, I know we've been saying it, people have been telling us, it's everything you hear. Don't let off at the face of the jump. And we both did it, and we didn't let off, and we cleared some space in between two jumps.
A double.
A double.
Yeah, I think the biggest proponent for me was just mental repetition. Just imagining yourself doing the jump, going through all the motions from the feet all the way to your head, and just imagining yourself in the air, and that seemed to work out for me.
So when I hit my first one, I blinked a long time.
A long blink.
A long blink, yes. I didn't close my eyes.
Long blink.
It was just a long blink. And I was at the face, and I was going, and I blinked, and then I opened it, and it was over. And then from there, I could hit it multiple times.
Yeah.
But other than that, I thought it felt really good. Even times when Gio and my dad said that it looked bad or scary, I didn't feel like it. I felt totally in control, which was awesome.
Yeah. So this is a big milestone for us. Huge milestone, actually. Like, we've been off the bike for probably a good year. And so to come back and ride 3 days and this be the cap of our riding experience for this little trip here, it's really good.
Yep. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe Epicenter Media. I know we've been off for a little bit, but we will be following up with some new videos coming soon with our bikes, the side-by-side, and then some other little fun projects that we have going on.
Thanks for watching.